Thinking about moving from Mississauga to West End? Even a relatively short relocation has its details, costs, logistics, and timing. Let's walk through what you can expect so your move feels smooth from start to finish. For moves like this, most households spend between CAD $800 and $2,000, depending on your home size, the volume of belongings, and whether you choose extra services like packing or storage. Your moving cost depends on a few key factors. Size of your home. More furniture and boxes mean bigger trucks and more labor. Route and access. Traffic or narrow streets can add time. Extra services, packing, unpacking, or storage increase convenience but add to the total cost. You can save on your move by decluttering first, packing your own items, and comparing quotes from multiple moving companies. Booking early also helps you secure better rates and timing. When you move matters too. Weekends or peak months usually cost more, while midweek or off-peak moves can be easier on your wallet and your schedule. No matter your budget or timeline, 3 movers can make your Mississauga to West End move smooth and stress-free. From packing to transport, their experienced team handles every step so you can focus on settling into your new place.